How to save your favorite templates on CapCut. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio. So if you want to save your favorite templates to your CapCut account, then here's the real guide of how you can do this. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to save your template, simply go and open up the CapCut application from your mobile and then simply go to the templates option here. Now you'll get to see I have lots of templates. So just go ahead and select your favorite templates first. Let's say I just want to save this template to my account. Now to do that, all you have to do is just need to open up the template, and at the bottom you'll get to see the save option. You just need to tap on the save option and this will be added to your favorite list. Now if I get back from here and if I tap on this me option at the bottom right, inside the me you'll get to see the like and favorite. You can tap on this. Now go ahead and tap on the favorite tab, and once you do that, you'll get to see the save templates has been here. Now you can actually tap on these, and every time you can make your videos using these templates, and this is how you actually can save any templates in CapCut. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.